Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix wallpaper screen not fitting on Windows 11 computer guys. Wallpaper is not fitting like this exactly you seen in my screen, and let's fix that problem guys. For that, right click on the blank area in desktop, go to display settings. On left side select personalization guys. On right side select background and scroll down guys. Here is option, choose a fit for your desktop image. Select fit to fill, fill. Select fill, that display has been filled around, and close out of here guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.